me and you do your job. Lay on the bed, give me head. Don't have to ask, don't do a bag. Don't, Juicy's my name, sex in the game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt. Natural glare, please don't touch. First find a mate, second find a place. Third find a bag, hide that face. Real name mover, said bend over. Start to knock, then come to the order. Ooh, smelled like a mush. Should have had a whoosh. Told her to stop and tick the dust. While she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced back out and I never came back. Suck a nigga dick or something. Suck a nigga dick or something. Suck a nigga dick or something. Suck a nigga dick. My nigga did a magic and he had to have it. I just said forget it. It's too crowded. No little freak in Hollywood. Sucks my dick, doesn't feel good. She'll give you money. Fill up your tummy. House full of kids. Parents all scummy. Once on down, backyard ground. Hit from the back. Enjoy the sound. Lay on the cover. Always use rubber. Till I get caught. Fucking her mother.
Get him, mama.
She pulled out the knife, so I took her out. Charged up a place. Threw to the bitch. Out. Police busted in when the niggers at. And was just in time, and they never came back. Rolling through the hood, waving his face, was sniffing all the rocks and smoothing all the geeks. Niggers at the police station, saw a few cops, drove by and sprayed them. License tag number, a nigger said he saw bogus all the time, never get caught. Slob on my cat, cause you knew it's fat. Check it in the and you do that.
Hey, you can be
Waves like a freak.
No.
Okay, keep going.
I know. The car you go red, the one who stops the head and drinks a nigga's nut. To see what she's about. Creeped into her house. She pulled out her room to get the fucking tune, and I did have a rubber and I fucked her two balloons. Lay on the bed.
I'm crying right now.
Her pussy hairs were rough, twisted and tight. Fucking sounds were tunes. I fucked her with the broom. She rode like a horse. When I see that, I didn't want the cat, so I found out. Never came back.